Hello, my name is Michelle Washington, and I am the instructional coordinator of the Austin Community College Fashion Incubator. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about production and supply chain. There are a lot of moving parts when it comes to managing the flow of goods and services needed to make your business function. How well or how poorly you manage those moving parts can make or break your brand in today's competitive landscape. While effective supply chain management is crucial for any business, this is particularly true for those of us in the apparel industry. Between fast, changing fashion trends and a limitless variety of products, apparel and fashion retailers often have more complex supply chains than other industries. That's why it's important to understand each part of it in order to manage it properly. In this example, this is a very good example of what it takes in a simple form of our supply chain. You have the supplier, raw materials, let's just say cotton, for example. Raw materials are grown, and that raw material will be turned into a textile, and that textile will be manufactured into your design. And from that moment, the supplies of all of the materials put together that have been manufactured into your design are then sent to the distribution center or warehouse. Then transportation takes place to get it to the retail location, and finally to the customer. Design. Before a piece of clothing is ever created, all aspects of it must be designed and planned from the silhouette to material to embellishments. Textile production. Raw and synthetic materials must first be spun, woven, blended, or dyed before they can be turned into the clothing on shelves in stores. This stage of the process also produces the highest emissions and pollutants due to the water and chemicals needed. Apparel production. Clothing production is taking the fabric from step 2 and cutting, piecing, and sewing it into the product designed in step 1. Distribution. Every company is different, but from step 3, a garment will either be sent directly to retail or shipped to a distribution warehouse, often shared by multiple major retailers. The movement of a garment within a distribution warehouse is digitally tracked every step of the way to maintain accurate supply records. And the purchase. Finally, the end user purchases the garment from a retail or wholesale channel. For more information, email us at fashion.incubator@austincc.edu. And be sure to find us on our website, austincc.edu/fashion incubator.